Alright, so this is a little demo that I have up here. Uh, Basically, watch this. So at first nothing happens, ignore what's happening on the left side. It's a little thing to kind of fix up with the AI right now. This is our guy, but if I pick this thing up and put it in front of him, he starts chasing it. And that's his ball. Basically, his whole thing is that he chases the closest ball. And the ball is not in sight right now, so he's not chasing it. Might have to give him 360 vision. And keep on doing that. Now, if he goes ahead and touches the ball, they start duplicating. The whole funny idea that I had for a little test game was to basically make a game where you have a bunch of these guys chasing around these balls, and they're trying to spawn them, and you have to get rid of them by chucking the guys overboard over the edge here, or they'll make so many balls that your computer just crashes. So that was my funny idea. So yeah, weirdly enough, this is actually fairly customizable because I could set up the balls to duplicate on me. I could have the guy chase me around. I could change the animation. Right now, there's not a lot of smooth animation here, and it's pretty much because I've used a little preset for his animation. That is one of the things I've been learning lately is how to manipulate the animation for a moving object. So that's not too bad. But yeah, can throw stuff right now. I can throw stuff a little bit further than what I'd want. Yeah. And then, right now the speed is kind of determined by where the camera looks. So therefore the speed is basically unlimited. Hence, as you can see. But yeah. And then also for fun, I added it so that the whenever the ball spawns in, it has a random texture, which was actually shockingly easy to do. But yeah, pretty much the whole logic behind this is that each ball has its own collision area, which whenever there's an object within it, it then sends out a overlap event, which then on the overlap event you can have code run. And you have the code check to see if the thing that's overlapping with is of a certain character type, which is why whenever I touch a ball, it doesn't duplicate, but whenever this guy does, it duplicates. It automatically is filtering for him. And then based on that, it's a little bit of a code, or quote unquote code, to make it so it duplicates itself.